Good afternoon, and welcome to another LJ's unboxing, where I'm going to be unboxing yet another phone. But this one is a phone that I've been trying to get for a while. I've never owned a Note phone in my life. Always wanted one, never had the money. Now that I got a source, and apparently he's back, I just wanted to show you what I got. This is my introduction. Sad to say, the top of the line would be my introduction into the Note phones. It's the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So, this is just the unboxing as usual, and I will make another video later about the review, the experience for me. So, without further ado, there it is in all its glory. So, doesn't matter. As you can see, it's in the red. It's also another color I've never really had on a phone. So, this video might be a little sketch, but whatever. So this is me getting into, because I have nobody to record my video right now. I mean, there was my buddy, but he is taking a nap. And then I opened that, and now that was a nice premium feel. So there's the phone. I'll put that aside. So what all do I have in the box? About to see. There is the SIM eject tool. And I've always been horrible at opening these boxes, so doing it with one hand isn't so fun. Anyway, now that I've gotten the paperwork and such out, let's see what all's in the box. And I'm sure y'all have seen enough videos. There's nothing else in the box other than what I pulled out. There's the USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. And inside is a bunch of paperwork, if I can get it. So that right there was the sleeve that the charging cable was in. There's the quick start guide and terms and conditions for all three of the S22 phones. There's terms and conditions. Anything else in there? So that's everything inside. So we'll put that aside for now. And as everybody knows, I will keep the box. So, with that said, oh yeah, there's that peel board. And then I'll flip it over and do the same thing. Oh yeah, so satisfying. Coincidentally, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in the customized black chrome color scheme to record this. So here's the phone in all its glory. There's this hole punch camera. Not sure if you can see it very well. I'm sure I can. So on the left side, we have just the antenna bands. I have more stuff to pull off because there's covering. I can feel it. Top, there is the noise canceling microphone. On the right side of the phone, you have your volume rocker and power button. On the bottom, you have speaker There's the S Pen. There is the SIM tray for holding the SIM, of course. And over here, or I should say back here, since we already talked about the sides, there's the triple camera setup. Love that color. I think it's bronze. Kind of like it. But that is the toughest Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. And it has the same exact camera setup as the phone that I'm recording this on. It's very appealing. And as soon as I finish setting it up and find out how good it is, I will make the review video. But I mean, let's turn it on anyway, see how much power we have. Keep in mind, it just came out the box. So it's still brand spanking new. And there you go, Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. And as we wait for it to finish loading, as soon as I finish testing it out and giving my opinion, I will definitely make another video. In the meantime, it's been another unboxing video from LJ's Unboxing. If you like this video, hit the like button, and of course, a subscription would be, you hitting the subscribe button would be highly appreciated. And you have a wonderful day, my YouTube family and friends. Peace, love, and white chocolate macadamia nut cookies.